Okay, student. Today we are going to prepare alcohol.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So experiment is preparation of alcohol. So why should we prepare alcohol? Mean alcohol is a good solvent for medicine.
Yes, sir.
ఆల్కహాల్ అనేది మెడిసిన్లో చాలా యూస్ఫుల్గా ఉంది.
Yes, sir.
సో వాటర్ మనకి ఎలాగా యూస్ఫుల్ గుడ్ సాల్వెంట్ వాటర్. సో లైక్ దిస్ మెడిసిన్లో కూడా ఆల్కహాల్ అనేది గుడ్ సాల్వెంట్.
Yes, sir.
సో ఫర్ దిస్ before 2 days you prepared grape juice, no?
Yes,
So
sir.
preparation of alcohol from the grape juice, and so grape juice prepared so before 2 days.
Yes, sir.
So after preparation of the grape juice, and we added yeast. So why should we adding the yeast, no, in the grape juice? ఎందుకు yeast ని grape juice లో యాడ్ చేస్తున్నామంటే so for fermentation process. So fermentation process is nothing but so what are the organic compound present in the grape? So sugar and fructose, glucose and fructose is present in the grapes లో ఉండే ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి? Glucose and fructose. So in presence of the yeast, what will happen now? Glucose and fructose is converted into alcohol. So in the presence of yeast, so that process is called as fermentation process. And this mixture is contain water as well as alcohol now. Fermentation is done.
Yes, sir.
ఫర్మెంటేషన్ అనేది జరిగిపోయింది.
Yes, sir.
సో ఈ మిక్చర్లో ఏముందంటే ఇప్పుడు వాటర్ ఉంది అండ్ ఆల్కహాల్ ఉంది. వీ వాంట్ టు సపరేట్ ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్ ద ఆల్కహాల్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ జ్యూస్.
Yes, sir.
Why? How we want to do is for this we required equipments. It will take some time.
Yes, sir.
Or you want to maintain the temperature 70 degree.
Yes,
The
sir.
boiling point of alcohol is 70 degree.
Degrees.
And boiling point of water is 100.
100.
At 70 degree, what will happen now? We'll do experiment here.
Yes, sir.
Police. So for this is a round bottom flask.
Yes, sir.
And for this round bottom flask, take funnel. Funnel. Yes. So keep the funnel in the round bottom flask
Yes, sir.
and take the mixture of grape juice. Pour into the round bottom flask
Class.
with help of okay. Sugar. Hold it. Hold properly. Okay. So some more grape juice. Hold properly. Okay. Okay. Keep aside. So after that, and keep the round bottom flask on the water bath.
Yes,
So water bath and fix it. Hold it. Hold like this. Hold. Okay. Wait. So you adjustment is required.
Yes, sir.
So while doing experiment, adjustment is required. Leave it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And keep a V-shaped tube here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Like this. V-shaped tube.
Yes, sir.
Next, this is a reflex condenser. So in this reflex condenser, see here. So this is inlet, inlet this one.
Inlet.
Outlet.
Outlet.
Wait. Hold this like this. Keep aside, I said, no? Keep aside. Hold it. Hold properly. apply grease here.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Hold it.
Yes, sir.
Leave it. So name of this instrument is reflex condenser. Hold the reflex condenser. Hold it. Just observe.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, so inlet. So connect this tap, this pipe to the tap.
Yes, sir.
Only this much. Okay. Keep plaster. Keep this side. This side here. So this pipe is connected to the tap, water tap. Okay. So water is coming to this pipe and inlet this and passing this water into the reflex condenser.
Yes, sir.
Committed. Just hold it here. Okay. Next. Okay, no? Next. Apply heat to the mixture.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We want to wait for some time.
Yes, sir.
But just turn on the tap. Slowly turn on. Turn on the tap. Just hold it. You see here. Just hold it. Yes? Yes. This water is coming inside now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Just leave it. Yes, hold it. Turn on. Okay.
Yes.
So water is coming inside.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Outlet.
So water is coming.
Yes, sir.
So this process is inlet.
Yes,
So
sir.
water is going out.
Yes, sir.
Outlet. So what will happen here? Why should we are keep here reflex condenser? ఇక్కడ చూడండి హీట్ అప్లై చేసాము మిక్చర్ వేపర్ ఏమవుతాయంటే వేపర్స్ 70 డిగ్రీ సెల్సియస్ టేక్ థర్మామీటర్ టేక్ థర్మామీటర్ yes you observe there only and you concentrate here okay you hold it okay yes don't turn on fast on చేయొద్దు fast కొంచెం స్లోగా చేయి okay okay at 70 degree temperature what will happen no liquid form of alcohol is converted into vapor.
Yes, sir.
So vapor is coming out.
Yes,
So
sir.
coming into the this P-shaped tube. That's why concentrator. Vapors ఇలా వచ్చినప్పుడు
Yes, sir.
ఇక్కడ వాటర్ అనేది కూలెంట్ గా పనిచేస్తుంది అంటే ఇక్కడ
sir.
కూల్ గా ఉంటుంది
Yes, sir.
అంటే వేపర్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఈ ఛాన్సెస్ రిఫ్లెక్స్ కండెన్స్ లో వచ్చినప్పుడు వేపర్ దేనిగా మారిపోతాయి లిక్విడ్ గా కన్వర్ట్ అయిపోతుంది అంటే వేపర్ ఫామ్ లో ఉన్న ఆల్కహాల్ అనేది లిక్విడ్ ఫామ్ అయ్యి ఇక్కడ మనకి బయటకు వస్తుంది వి వెయిట్ ఫర్ సమ్ టైమ్ సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద టెంపరేచర్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ నౌ You ready with another one? You bring another one bucket. Anyone go and bring? Yes. So what is the temperature? So now room temperature is 35. You take time. Temperature. Okay, around 50 degrees Celsius.
Yes,
You
sir.
take time.
Yes.
Okay. Same distillation process also like this only.
Yes, sir.
You have to remember for this for distillation process also we required round bottom flask and V-shaped tube and replacement. So did you observe here? Water, how the water is flowing here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
చూడండి బ్యాక్ సైడ్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ఓకేనా చూడండి ఒకసారి వాటర్ ఇన్లెట్ ఎలా అవుతుంది చూడండి మళ్ళీ అవుట్లెట్ వాటర్ ఎలా రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవుతుంది చూడండి ఒకసారి that's why I said I told one more you bring no one go
Nuggets outside.
go and bring so temperature okay 60
60, sir.
temperature is 60 at 70 degree temperature or 78 exactly 78.87 degree Celsius alcohol is converted into vapor.
Yes, sir.
See how the water is flowing,
Yes, sir.
coming and going.
Yes.
Okay. This is a closed circuit.
Yes, sir.
In reflex condenser, closed circuit. So inside one more tube is there, open
Yes,
tube.
sir.
This
Yes,
one.
sir.
See. Open.
Yes, sir.
So this open tube is covered with closed circuit.
Closed circuit.
Okay, 68.
Yes, sir.
So vapor started now.
Yes, sir.
So see yeast cells.
Yeast cells.
Hold it. Yes, see yeast
Yes,
cell.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the name of that one?
Yeast cell.
Yeast. Okay. See. Huh? Okay, now last one. Shiny. Did you observe? No. So hold it and see. See. Submitted. Keep it. Yes. Purnachand. What happened? What happened? Keep that. Come friend. So drops. Yes. Coming out. You see one by one. Go back. Put the bag. See. So drops, no? Okay. So this is alcohol.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So vapor is converted into liquid.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So drop here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you want to see, boys? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, around 5 ml we collected.
Yes, sir.
Keep one more beaker.
Yes, sir.
See the smell of alcohol. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Alcohol. Don't drink, just smell. Okay. Madhuri. Okay. Okay. Yes. What you want to smell?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So alcohol is catch the fire.
Yes, sir.
See here. Give one more beaker. That beaker give.
Beaker.
See here. Alcohol. Yes. See.
Yes, sir.
There is a combustion process.
Yes, sir.
Alcohol contain carbon and
Fine.
keep water. Water.
So much water, please.
Okay. Alcohol. Take one more beaker. So alcohol contain carbon and
Oxy.
hydrogen.
Hydrogen.
No, one more beaker. Water. Take water. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Alcohol is diluted.
Yes, sir.
Pure alcohol.